guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ambika and I'm back again with another video. It's quite cold in California, so I'm wearing my hoodie. I am a December born, but trust me guys, I hate winters. I know a lot of you love winter as well, so sorry for those people. But yeah, I am not a winter girly. I like summer more because I get to wear whatever I want to wear, and winter is more like, it's very depressing, cozy. Of course, that's one thing I like about winters, but then mostly it's not very, it's not a very happy season for me because considering all the global warming and everything and the way the weather is changing, I have heard that weather also brings you, those sad blues in your life. So I hate winters. But keeping that aside, this video is not about winters. This video is a haul video of Shein where I'm going to show you guys some bags and shoes that I've purchased from Shein. And this is the box that has the bag and all the shoes and heels that I've got from Shein. So I just wanted to try and test their shoes and heels. I've just picked some of them and I can't wait to share with you all the bags and shoes that I have purchased. So without wasting further time, let's begin this video. So we'll start with the shoes and then we'll move on to the bags part. So I have this first shoe. It is all taped. Here it is. Oh wow, these are so pretty. These are like boots, and this also has like this heel and some straps to tie it. I like the quality of it and it is also very comfortable. So this has this lace in the front. You can tie this lace and adjust it as per your foot. It also has this chain which is nice, and the material of the shoe is also nice. The heel is also perfect. It's not like a pencil heels. It's like a boot with heels, and if I wear my socks I can actually make it like a proper boot, and if I'm not wearing the socks it can actually look like heels. So it's kind of very different style. I have a similar pair, like not exactly the one that has lace but a similar style from Catwalk. You guys must have seen it in my heel collection video. So this is another pair that is going to be in my heel collection. I absolutely love it, and this is perfect for winter, especially for dresses and short outfits, because I always like to wear something that is slightly in a boot style for winter, especially for the dresses and all. So I think it's going to look absolutely stunning. I love the style, I love the comfort of these shoes. They are 10 on 10 and I absolutely recommend everybody to buy this. I'm in love with this. Next I have another shoe. These are in red color and these are actually heels. So pretty. I loved it. My size is 36 for all the heels. I love the length of the heel. It's not too much and it has these straps, and the color is also absolutely stunning. They are quite plain and simple, so I think they will go with almost all the outfits. I always wanted to buy a red heel. I have one red heel that has some golden thing here, and uska heel is also golden color, which is why it's more specific towards ethnic outfits. But these are very plain, so I can absolutely style it with anything, and they're also comfortable and easy to wear because heel bahut zyada nahi hai. So I absolutely loved it and I can't wait to style and wear it. So these are both the pairs and I do want to buy them in different colors as well. Given an opportunity, I'll definitely buy these in like black color or maybe in brown color, because I think brown is something that goes with almost everything. So you just saw that I purchased a black boots and then I have these red ones, so that's why I didn't purchase the black one. Otherwise you guys can go for black as well. They're absolutely stunning. Then I have another pair of shoes. Let's see. These are in brown color. I think they'll perfectly go with my recent MK bag that I have purchased, and these are so pretty and they're so comfortable as well. They are flats, so I can easily wear it anywhere I want, and the style is more like a boot, so I can wear it with my dresses as well. This has a side chain and the style is overall very funky, very comfortable and easy to wear, and I can't wait to take them on my next trip. They're absolutely stunning. I think the choice that I've made is stunning. I always do a lot of research on Shein before buying anything. I mostly see people's comment and pictures and if they're worth buying or not. People generally write very honest opinions on Shein, so that's a good thing. And also if you like have good eyes, you can actually understand from the picture if a particular product is going to be worth it or not. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. This is very comfortable and the material is also very nice. I don't know for how long this whole thing is going to work, because mostly the slippers and everything that are very cheap, they don't last very long. So let's see how long long these are going to go. They are not very expensive, so I'm not really expecting it to, you know, go for years, but yeah, let's see. So yeah, I'm loving both of these. They're absolutely stunning and I think worth buying. So now let's move on to the bag section. So first bag that I bought, which is so pretty, is this golden bag. This is perfect for, you know, shadi season in India, but this is also going to look absolutely perfect with any gold jewelry. And this is so tiny. It's like a small micro bag, you guys can see. And yeah, it's so cute and pretty. I mostly wear a lot of gold jewelries and then I'm usually very confused what bag to carry with it. I mostly carry bags that have, you know, golden strap or like golden chain with it. So I think this bag is going to go perfectly with all my golden jewelry. And let me see how this is from inside. So that's how this is from inside. This is quite small. I have this phone of mine, iPhone 16 Pro. I don't think so I'll be able to fit that inside it, but I can definitely fit my cards and like a small lipstick and small perfume. It's actually a mini bag, so obviously things that you can fit in the mini bag, you can fit those. It cannot fit my phone. As you guys can see, my phone is bigger than the bag's size. So yeah, but I actually love it. This is so cute. I cannot even take it like this. I have to carry it like this only, but yeah, I love it. This is super cute. I think this will look absolutely stunning with Indian outfits, with those, you know, heavy Indian golden outfits, or maybe like a plain outfit that where you're wearing like golden jewelry. I think it will look absolutely stunning with that, and also with the saris kind of in a clutch way. So yeah, I'm looking forward to use this. I'm going to India in February and I have 2-3 weddings in my family, so I think I can absolutely use this bag in those weddings. So yeah, I'm looking forward to wear this one. Then I have this small purse for my bag. It's in black color. I had one white one that I was using abhi tak. I got that from Australia and I wanted to buy something in black. So this is the bag. This is super stunning. It has a chain over here, so I can keep my coin or maybe my AirTag inside it. I usually carry a AirTag with my wallets so that if I miss my wallet anywhere, I can actually locate it. And that's how it opens from the front. It has this strap here. And then it has space for keeping all the cards, and I can keep the cash here. So yeah, it's pretty nice. The quality is also stunning, very smooth, and I think it's just the perfect size and quite perfect for everyday use. Then I got this another bag. I don't know if you guys have seen it or not, but I recently posted this Stanley Cup video wherein I was styling my Stanley Cup and I added this purse with that, if you guys have noticed it. But yeah, this is also another purse that I purchased from Shein. This has the hook so that I can attach it with my Stanley or maybe with my bag, and that's how it opens. It has all these compartments here for my cards and here also, and also there is a compartment to keep the cards here, and this has a chain over here so I can add my coins and money. So this I got for those days when I'm not really carrying a heavy bag. I just want to carry my cards, no cash or no coins, because obviously you can't carry a lot of cash and coin with this bag. Although this has a chain, so I can keep a couple of my cash and coin over here, but I don't think so I can carry a lot of cash and coin as compared to this purse. So yeah, I absolutely love the color of it. This pink and white is my vibe, with this golden keychain which will make my purse very secure. I can attach it in my purse. So yeah, that's another purse that I purchased. Then I got something for my bag. So this is actually a bag organizer, and so this has this big compartment for organizing the stuff, and it also has this another compartment that has few more additional compartments here and also a middle chain. The reason I purchased this is because I have a very big airport bag and it does not have any compartment. I got it for my US trip only from H&M, but the worst part is it does not have any compartment. And last time when I was traveling from India to Chicago, I missed a couple of things from my bag because it was not having any chain, and I kept my bag for security. I lost a couple of things, which is why I wanted to buy something in which I can organize my stuff and I can keep my purse and all inside this so that they don't fall from my bag. And I can attach this in the middle. It has option where I can, you know, attach this in the middle, so it's something like this. This is a bag organizer. So let me show you the bag that I am planning to organize with this organizer. So this is the bag. You guys must have seen me using this for my trip from Delhi to Chicago, and also I took this bag to New York and Texas. This bag is very big. I can literally pack this for like overnight, and it's absolutely stunning. And I got this from H&M. The only worst part is that it does not have any chain, so I can place this inside this and give it a nice structure, and also I can organize my stuff properly inside it. So that's why I bought this, and now my bag has a proper thing for organizing. Next thing that I got is a small pouch, and this is a bow pouch. This is super cute and perfect to organize the stuff for my bag. Like I can keep my makeup inside it, or charger, or any other stuff, and I can put this pouch in my bag. You guys know that I'm currently into my pink girl, bow girl era, and that's why I got this. It's super cute and pretty pouch. Then I have this next thing, which is a bag for my brushes. Yes, this is another product that I purchased from Shein, and it is super good. So I have so many makeup brushes, and I used to keep them randomly in random pouches, and at times उसकी वजह से मेरे brushes भी टूट जाते थे. So I wanted to organize it properly. So I got this organizer. This has so many compartments where I can keep my brushes, and I can close it from this so that they don't get dirty. And this also has this another area where I can keep all my sponges and few more brushes. So yeah, I absolutely loved it. It is perfect for traveling and organizing brushes at home as well. We don't generally use a lot of brushes in every day. We just use a couple of brushes for eyeshadow, and people who use sponges, so they don't need foundation brushes and stuff. So you can also organize your stuff at home, not just for the traveling. So I just got this for organizing my makeup brushes, and I can keep them in a better way at home. Then I have another thing that I got. So this another pouch kind of thing that I got from Shein. This was basically for organizing the straightener and curlers. So this has these compartments inside this. If you guys can see, this has few compartments. But the reason I purchased it to keep my camera. So my camera, the one that I'm using currently, has like a structure. So basically, I'll give you an example. So let's just suppose this is my camera. It has a small tripod attached to it, which is like a creator edition. If you guys know, like GoPro also has like a creator edition that has a camera and then like a small tripod with it, which is connected through Bluetooth from camera. And I wanted something where I can fit the entire camera with the tripod, and I don't have to remove the tripod every time I'm not using it, because it's very difficult when you immediately want to shoot something. You just have to, like, it just takes your 2-3 minutes to, you know, set the tripod with the camera. So that's why I wanted something where I can just place it straightforward, but it is bigger than what I wanted. But I can use it at home for keeping my camera inside it, or maybe I can use it for organizing the straightener and curler for traveling. So that's the pouch. I'm not very satisfied with this, but I'm satisfied with the product, but not really satisfied with the usage for the purpose for which I bought this bag. So yeah, that's it. That was all about the bag and shoes that I purchased from Shein. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with more fashion, styling, food and travel videos on my channel. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.